Dropped in like a UFO, shined up like glittering gold. If you don't know, well now you know. Crashed down like a tidal wave. Got sick of the same old thing. I'ma do it differently. Oh, another level. I'm taking it higher. Watch me, I'm bringing that heat. I'm feeding that fire. You ain't seen nothing like this. Nothing like this. Nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing like this. Nothing like this. So fresh, oh so classic. Wider than you imagine. Never going out of fashion.
First time ko po dito sa Subway, as in first time talaga kumain. I find the foods very delicious and satisfying po.
Another level.
10 out of 10 po, the best. Babalik-balikan.
Higher.
Masarap po as a first timer. Mararecommend ko siya sa mga kaibigan, friends, and family kasi malapit lang siya dito sa amin, sa Antipolo.
This. Nothing like this. Nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing like this.
As a first time na makakain dito sa Subway, good siya kasi more on veggies side siya and yung service crew is accommodating and fast lang siya kasi may order yung every line nila which is good.
Get it higher.
Yung ambience niya, maganda yung lugar, ganyan. Tapos yung food goods naman yung lasa. Katulad sa mga dati kong nakainan din na Subway, okay yung experience ko dito.
Nothing like this.
As a first timer here sa Subway, I can really say na the food is great and the ambience and the staff is really nice. So, punta po kayo dito. Dito lang sa May Vipas, Antipolo.
Nothing like this.